Hi guys, new lock came in the mail. Finally, been waiting for this one. It's the 7-pin dimple lock. It's a 70mm M8D6. Has the thumb turn on the back. Although it's got 7 pins along the top here, on the keys I can only find 6 marks. I can only count 6 on the keys, so I don't know why there's 7 there, which I've been trying to rack my brain around, but I cannot work it out. Seems a bit strange, but anyway, why they would put 7 there, but doesn't matter. Works nicely for a cheap lock. So I purchased this one on eBay. It cost me $4.87 with free postage by the eBay seller is Shop Tunny. So Shop Tuny. Let's see if I can pick this one. So I've got to put it in the vise on a weird angle because of the thumb turns when the key does. So I can't put it in the vise the normal way. Make sure that nothing's obstructing it. No, it just turns freely. Make sure that is locked. Try and get a bit of better view. So I'm going to use the flat flag from the GOSO kit. And a homemade tension wrench. It's one of my medium bottom of the keyway tension wrenches. I find this works a bit better than the Z-shaped tension wrenches you get with the kit. So I'm going to put light tension on. And I'm going to pick from the right hand side. So I'm going to pick in all the way to the back. Put light tension on, then feel for a binder. Speed hump, which feels like pin 6 may be binding. Don't know if I got. There we go, got him. Says, or did I miss him? No, sorry, that was pin 3. I jumped a couple. A slight turn on the core. Another binder here. No. Doesn't want to move. That was pin 5. See if I need the others. Must have clicked pin 1 when I put the pick in. It's a bit weird. That was pin 6, right up the back. So it got an open, and all the pins are stuck down into the keyway. There we go. Get the stuff out of the way. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the tool to take this one apart and gut it. But there you go. It's the M8D6 dimple lock. Picked. So that's another one down. Now I just got to wait to get some more locks in. Before I go, I want to give a shout out to Daniel W. I won't say his last name, for his suggestions and feedback on the videos that I've been doing. Absolutely appreciate it. It's good feedback and good suggestions, which I will work on and am working on. So thank you, sir, for that. And cheers, guys. Knew I forgot something. Before I end this video, just wanted to say, unfortunately, that I can't gut this, because when I was picking it, I noticed that when you set one of the pins, see if I can do it now, like that, get a slight turn on the core as if it's got security pins in it, which I wouldn't think a lock this cheap would have, unless it's poor craftsmanship on the chambers going through it. But unfortunately I can't gut this one, so I don't have the right tool to do it, otherwise I would. So if anyone else gets one of these and is able to gut it, please let me know, because I'd love to know if these do have security pins or spools in them, because it feels like it does. So cheers, guys.